Hello, world, and hello, amazing Philippines. Good morning. It is my distinct honor and pride to introduce to you our second resource speaker for today's event. He graduated his elementary education from the Colegio de las Cias de Jesus and his secondary education from Angelicum School, Iloilo. He is a registered nurse, professional teacher, and a master's degree holder in special education. Graduated from St. Paul University, Iloilo, and from West Visayas State University, respectively. He was a special education director for 3 years, a special education teacher for 10 years to children with developmental disabilities in center-based and inclusive settings, and a recipient of the teacher training program in the field of special and inclusive education, curricular educational assessment, and strategies for children with developmental disabilities, sponsored by Canadian Executive Services Organization in 2000 to 2002. Is one of the authors of the Consolidated Goal from the Asia Pacific Region Early Childhood Education Development for the United Nations Post 2015 Millennium Development Goal held in Singapore. Is a regional trainer of the Department of Education Region 6 for the mass training of teachers in grade 9 and 10, or MAPE, of the K-12 Enhanced Basic Education Program, and training of kindergarten to grade 3 teachers for the developmentally appropriate practices in the early literacy, language, and numeracy of the K-12 Enhanced Basic Education Programs. He is a national trainer of the Department of Education in the National Orientation of Special Education Supervisors on training of teachers on the utilization of multi-factored assessment tools. He is a national consultant and content creator of the Department of Education Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Service Office for the Kaagapay Buhay, a national technical working group member of the Department of Education as a learning resource and language reviewer in the development and finalization of kindergarten grades 1 to 2 and 3 contextualized learning resources and teachers resource book in the Kinaraya language. As a recipient of the lecturer or scholar workshop on teaching human rights peace, developing knowledge and skills on peace and transformative peace building, sponsored by the ASEAN University Network and Norwegian Human Rights Center, University of Oslo. He ranked 29 out of 35 index scientists by the Alper Doger Scientific Index in the University of San Agustin. Top 8 in the Philippines based on the scientific performance and the added value of the scientific productivity of individual scientists. Currently, he is an early childhood, special, inclusive, and professional education assistant professor and student teaching supervisor of the teacher education programs at the College of Liberal Arts, Sciences and Education and Graduate School in the University of San Agustin since 2006. Part-time lecturer of the College of Nursing, St. Paul University, Iloilo, and the College of Education, Central Philippine University. A guest lecturer of Ratchakuda or Ratchasuda College and National Institute for Child and Family Development, Mahidol University, Thailand. A regional quality assessment team member of the CHED Regional Office 6. A senior fellow of the International Forums of Inclusion Practitioner organized by Inclusion Expert UK. And he is one of the subject area group representatives for teacher education for the comparing achievements of learning outcomes in higher education in ASEAN and Tuning Asia Southeast projects. And of course, one of the awardee of the Global Inclusion Awards 2024 by the International Forums of Inclusion Practitioners presented during the 30th anniversary of Salamanca Statement. Okay, March 15, 2024 at the UNESCO headquarters in Paris, France. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Professor Frank S. Imbultura. Sir.